My motivation for coming to this event was really to see everything in action, see the philosophy in action, see a smooth running team and a smooth running practice, and I definitely got it here.
I know how to do dentistry, I know how to work with my patients, but what I didn't know was the intricacies of setting up an office and flow and design and use of space.
I think one of the things that was really interesting was how much you can get out of a little bit of space. The way that everything's planned, the way that everything's kind of thought out beforehand, and I can really see how that all plays together into a really smooth and comfortable patient experience.
I've learned so much. My brain can't even process all the information that I have, but I know that I've got a lot of work that needs to be done in my own office. I've discovered potentials in my office that I wasn't even aware of.
We're working with Design Ergonomics to do an expansion. The over-the-shoulder gave me an idea to actually see what it's like in function in real life rather than just kind of on a piece of paper. So that was really closed the loop for me. A wonderful presentation.
Hi, I'm Tim, Practice Advisor for Design Ergonomics, and I just wanted to invite you and your friends to come to our over-the-shoulder events. We host these 4 or 5 times a year at both our location here in Massachusetts as well as another location in Reno, Nevada, and we really wish you and your team could come and see how we put this together. It's a great day. Bring your staff. We'll show you the entire office. We'll show you the rooms. We'll show you the systems and everything that you want to see to help get your next office off the ground.